In this presentation, we're going to look at an ingredient that is used in the vast majority of green people's formulations. That is, aloe vera, or more correctly, aloe vera juice. Aloe vera has been used for health and skincare for thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians called it the plant of immortality, and it was often used as a burial gift for deceased pharaohs to use in the afterlife. The aloe vera plant is a succulent which can be grown in warm and temperate climates around the globe. Being a succulent, aloe vera absorbs water through its roots and stores that water in large fleshy leaves. In a mature plant, a single leaf can weigh as much as 1 kilogram and can yield around half a litre of pressed juice. The aloe vera juice that we use is certified organic and is obtained from the inner gel, well within the leaf. To obtain this gel, the leaves are hand filleted to remove the outer green skin and the underlying yellow coloured latex, which contains irritating compounds including aloin. The remaining inner leaf gel is then washed, juiced, filtered and freeze-dried, all within 2 hours of being harvested, to ensure that all the health benefits of the leaf juice are retained. This produces a pure freeze-dried powder that is 200 times more concentrated than fresh juice. The purpose of freeze-drying is to remove the water whilst at the same time retaining all of the beneficial properties of the juice itself. It also helps to preserve the juice without needing to add any preservatives. And since it weighs 200 times less than freshly pressed juice, it uses far less energy in transportation. As an added environmental benefit, the energy needed for the freeze-drying process is obtained from renewable solar power, and all the residues from the harvesting and processing are used as fertiliser for the aloe vera plants in the fields. So, what makes aloe vera so special? Analysis has shown that far from being just plain water, aloe vera juice actually contains a complex blend of over 75 different nutrients, including amino acids, vitamins, minerals and a range of other compounds. Amongst these other nutrients are complex sugars called mucopolysaccharides. These give aloe vera juice film-forming properties, which, together with its high water content, make it an excellent moisturiser. That helps to keep the skin hydrated and increases its elasticity. Aloe vera is also noted for its soothing and healing properties, and it is used in folk medicine as a first aid treatment for minor burns and wounds. Other reported benefits include its use in dental care products, where its calming and soothing properties are helpful in the management of gum diseases such as gingivitis and periodontitis. Proteolytic enzymes found in aloe vera juice help to loosen and remove excess dead skin cells on the scalp. It also has alkalizing properties that balance the pH level of the scalp and hair, which supports healthy hair growth and retains moisture in the scalp. Given the wide-ranging benefits offered by this ingredient, and our more recent understanding of the complex nutrients that it contains, it's easy to see why those ancient Egyptians held aloe vera in such high regard. It truly is the plant of immortality.